Coronavirus is now circulating throughout the UK. It's happening as the first doses of the Moderna vaccine are on their way to hospitals across the U.S.
Let's turn things over to Judy Wang, who joins us now with the latest on all these developments. Good morning.
Good morning. At a time when these two vaccines are offering hope that an end might soon be in sight, this new highly contagious strain is raising alarms around the world. Today, Britain's Prime Minister called an emergency meeting after putting much of the UK on lockdown. The variant strain is also surfacing in several European countries and Australia, but not in the U.S. Experts here are seeking to reassure Americans the vaccines we have will protect them.
Out of control, capable of spreading 70% faster, according to Britain's health minister. Scientists are worried, and they're not surprised.
The good news is, so far, although no one's really seen any of the hard data, so far it doesn't look like the virus is acting any worse than usual, and that it's just spreading faster. But I mean, this is a terrible development.
Prime Minister Boris Johnson is imposing the strictest restrictions since March, prompting a chaotic border shutdown. It is unclear whether the virus mutated in the UK or whether it was first detected there. The list of countries suspending flights from the UK is growing. Spain, Russia, and India among the latest. This comes as the U.S. rolls out Moderna's vaccine, the second one the FDA approved for emergency use. Nearly 6 million doses are headed to healthcare facilities across America. With the emergence of the variant strain, experts are urging calm. They say the virus won't stop evolving, and vaccine creators took that into account. They believe it is unlikely new strains will make the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines ineffective.
Flu mutates very rapidly, changes its surface proteins very rapidly, so we constantly need to get a new flu shot. Some viruses, like measles, don't change their surface proteins, and so the measles shot we got 20 years ago still works. Coronavirus seems somewhere in the middle.
The former FDA commissioner says eventually vaccines will need updating.
Britain is already inoculating citizens with the Pfizer vaccine. The European Medicines Agency just approved Pfizer's vaccine for use. If the European Union signs off on that, Pfizer could start distribution in all 27 EU nations. Now, in terms of the suspending flights from the UK, the U.S. has not done that. A member of the White House Coronavirus Task Force says that he thinks that the UK will get a handle on the situation, and he doesn't think that's needed. But things could change.
Things could change. A lot to watch this busy Monday. Thanks, Judy.